Hi, friends. Welcome to my personal mastery session on maintaining the delicate balance of our relationship as human beings with nature, religion, and culture. Our relationship with nature, the omnipresent power that gives life to the universe, is as weak as it is strong. We get air, light, water from nature, without which, as a human race, we cannot survive a day. Here, too, our respect for nature is most important. We have seen all what has happened when we have disturbed the ecological balance and played with nature. Tsunamis, earthquakes, droughts, floods have wreaked havoc on earth. Whenever and wherever we have crossed the limits and ceased to respect nature. The nature of nature is to give, and we must know how to give and take with respect. Religion. If we count the wars which have been unleashed upon mankind, we will see that mostly they were based in intolerance of the other's religious faith. Call it crusades, jihad, or by any other name, a war is a war against mankind. I exhort all people of the world to respect all religious faiths and beliefs. Only when we become a tolerant society, we can ensure respectful relationships with man, woman, and children belonging to other religious communities. Only then can we ensure peace and human development. This relationship with religion have often been misused by kings, queens, political leaders, and fascists who followed genocide in the world. We don't have to allow this to happen ever again to the history of man on earth. Relationship with culture, literature, music, and arts. A society that does not respect the arts and literature is no society at all. Almost all societies, even the tribal, where literature sometimes has not been in an advanced stage of development, have followed and respected the arts. There have been some instances in history where the nation that won a war against the other has tried to obliterate the culture of the nation that lost the war. Sometimes outrageous incidents of destroying the symbols of a country's culture have been witnessed. I will not name, but they are there in your own memory. In order to preserve the richness of our composite culture, we must respect all. Like it is said in the Indian philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family. Once it happened that I was working with the Minister of Tourism and Culture, Government of India. And the lady minister reminded me of a story that the Prime Minister of X country used to always keep the Minister of Culture alongside. Everywhere in every meetings. Why? Because he said that I want politics to be temperate with culture. So that is the power of culture. And the power of a harmonious living on this planet Earth can only be endeavored and admired and experienced when we maintain the delicate balance between nature, religion, and culture. Thank you.